We are so excited about our new National Park collection. Let me walk you through a few tips and tricks about how to install them. You want to start by laying out your design just like a puzzle and make sure you know where all the pieces go. Next, use your tape measure and find where you're starting. I've already marked the wall here. I'm going to start in the bottom left corner. Next, we're going to put adhesive tabs on, which you're going to follow the instructions in your package, but it's about 4 per square foot. We recommend pushing the tiles really tightly together to minimize seeing seams or gaps. For installing small detailed spots like this one, we recommend using a toothpick or the back of a craft knife to push the edges in. Now you can enjoy your beautiful new design.